Hello, I am Chad with Butler Contracting. Today we're on site just finishing up a cedar picket fence. One of the benefits of having cedar rather than pine is it's more durable when it comes to the elements, typically longer lasting, especially if you do your maintenance, staining every 3 to 5 years. And another benefit that the cedar offers is when we go to stain, we can stain immediately after or prior to applying, where with pine, treated pine, or material like that, we're gonna have to wait 3 to 4 weeks and then come back and stain. So the reason we have to let the treated pine dry out, the treated pickets, is when you get it from the distribution, it's gonna come very saturated with chemicals, the treatment, and it takes typically 3 to 4 weeks for that to dry out enough down to the 12% range, which is ideal for staining. We have a couple different options of staining picket fences. We have our spray machine, which we would come on site and do a flood coat, or we have our stain machine that you'll see in this video, and we can do that on site or back at the shop. And that is typically done with our cedar pickets because we do not have to let them dry, so we can stain them and apply them. Once they're applied, they'll be done. So with this picket fence, we went with the PostMaster, which we prefer. The PostMaster is all hidden right here. It's a very popular post for that reason. Got the runs on the outside, can't see the post, and then the picket on the back side that covers it. So for the installation of the PostMasters, you can click the link down below to see the installing of the PostMaster. Once again, we go with a steel frame gate is what we prefer here, with a 2 3/8 Schedule 40 gate post hung on the 2 3/8 metal frame, no sag guarantee, very durable. If you have an existing fence that needs to be replaced and you have pets and you don't know how to necessarily go about that during the time that your new fence is going to be installed, we at Butler will build you a temporary pet fence out of 2x4 no climb with T-post. And once we're done building your new fence, we will remove the temporary pet enclosure. Once again, I'm Chad with Butler Contracting, and we hope to see you on your next fence project.